Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is how to get longer, stronger, and healthier nails. Here I have 2 tablespoons of vinegar that helps strengthen the nail and the cuticle. Now I'm putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and that is just to lock in the moisture for your nail beds, and then some water to dilute the vinegar because that also helps have your nails grow. Water is a great tool, but it can't help you. It can only help you so far, so make sure you are drinking water. Just having it on, it just helps prevent with breakage and makes your nails stronger and helps strengthen them. The water here is most likely to dilute the vinegar because vinegar is kind of strong. This is great because it's also, if you have any cuts or any hangnails, it really does give a good clean. And I let my hands sit in here for about 15 to 20 minutes just so that it really penetrates on my nail beds and on my cuticles. And as you see, I am rubbing it in just to make sure it really gets in there. And I leave my hands in there for quite a bit, and then I'm gonna be ready to take them out soon. Rubbing it in one last time. I have actually finished washing my hands, and look how moisturized my cuticles and my nails look. I'm just choosing a color now. I love Essie. I stopped going to the nail salon because I did not like how my nail beds were. They were very damaged and brittle and broke every second chance it got. I'm just gonna file any imperfections off. And now I'm gonna start. I feel like Essie, it's just 2 coats and then 1 gel coat. The 2 coats do a really good job. Like, that's just 1 coat and it looks absolutely amazing. The color is very pigmented, so I would definitely suggest that. Getting this brand, I love it, and it lasts up to like a week and a half, which is enough for me because I like to change my color pretty often. That's one of the problems I had when I always got shellac. I would always want to change it as soon as I got it done. So this also helps you save a lot of money. The bottles are about $9 or $10 at Walmart, $12 at Shoppers, and you guys know how the drill goes. So now I'm just putting on the top coat, the gel top coat, and you don't even need a cure or anything for this, so it's pretty awesome. And it dries pretty quickly as well, which I really like about that because I'm always on the go. Ooh, yeah, super pretty. I love the color. It's like pretty lilac. I'll have the actual color in the description box so you guys can go and check that out. I got it at one of those L'Oreal sales, and I'm so impressed. I love it, and I've been loving them ever since. So this is my 2-week update. My nails look absolutely awesome, not short and stubby anymore. I feel like they look long and healthy and shiny. I do have just a regular, I think it's an OPI nail polish bubble bath on there, 1 coat to give it that cute little shine. But I'm really loving my nails, and I like to do this process for about once a month at least. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you in my next video.